This guide walks you through adding and editing business types and companies on the CalSoft Ecom dashboard, including saving changes and navigating settings. Navigate to dspeedup.in. Click on System. Click on Business Type. Click on Add Business Type. Enter the required name. Click on Save. Once saved, the new business type will appear in the grid. Click on Companies. Click on any company. Click on Edit. Click on Business Type drop-down. Select the service. Click on Save. The business type has been updated successfully.